Hi everyone, welcome back. Tonight we're going to do something very British, traditionally British, very straightforward. As you can see, it's not a great deal of ingredients. We're going to do a toad in the hole, which is sausages inside a Yorkshire pudding. Same as normal, very few ingredients, very easy to do. I'm Stubbs and welcome to my kitchen. Okay, key ingredients then, some lovely sausages. We've got Cumberland sausages here, a couple of eggs, some plain flour and some semi-skimmed milk. How easy could that be? Let's get stuck in. So we've got some straightforward plain flour, and what we're going to do is break into there a couple of eggs. And we're just going to whisk that together. Just dragging the flour from the outside of the bowl. Try not to puff it up and get it everywhere. Mix that into quite a stodgy dough. This essentially is a batter mix for all of us from outside the UK. A lot of us will have the Yorkshire pudding or the batter mix with our Sunday roast. So we're just going to gradually add some semi-skimmed milk, mix that in. Also, if you're enjoying my recipes and following along, don't forget to subscribe. Keeps me motivated in terms of making more videos. Obviously quite a few on there now, building up quite a collection. If there's anything you'd like to see me struggle with, just leave some comments down below. And after a bit of research I might have a try. Okay, we've got nice batter mix now, well folded in. You can see that there. What we're going to do is let that rest for a little while. Before we do the next stage. Take our sausages, put them in a reasonably sized dish for the family. So in this case we're going to do a portion, a recipe even for 4. So just take that into account, so a big enough dish. So I'll be back in about a quarter of an hour. Okay, second stage, what we're going to do is brown off the sausages. So heat your oven to 200 degrees. Tablespoon-ish of vegetable oil. And just put your sausages into the oil, and what we're going to do is just gradually brown them off. So leave them in there for about 15 minutes. That should be enough to get them nice brown. Just coat them in the oil. Great. Into the oven for about 15 minutes. Okay, let's add a little bit of pepper on there. But listen to me carefully here. This is spitting hot oil. So when you pour it in, it is going to sizzle. So go careful. And what you need to do now is just pour your batter in and around the sausages. Go careful. Move your sausages around to reposition them. And that, guys, is pretty much it. We're into the oven now for 25 to 30 minutes, keeping on 200. Just keep an eye on it, but what will happen is it'll rise massively, it'll look fantastic. But we'll come back in a little while and have a look what it looks like outside the oven. There you go, guys. All done, risen massively, as you can see. Difficulty now is getting it out onto the plate. We're just going to have it with some steamed broccoli and carrots and some gravy. Give it a try, nice and easy, few ingredients. What can go wrong? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Who knows what we'll come up with next week. See you soon.